You see those little hands there? They're the hands of my brilliant Vixen who wanted to do this for you guys, so I could not deny him. In today's video, we'll be making some tortilla wraps, some pliable and delicious wraps. The kind that you can roll like this and bend, and yet when you open them back out, they have no cracks or no dents. Here we're going to be making those. To begin, we are going to place in all our ingredients, a list of which is listed in the comment section. Once we have those in, we are going to mix them in just to make sure that everything is well combined before adding in our milk. Now the milk is optional, you can actually use water, but when milk is used, it changes the taste, texture, and also the resting time of the dough. When water is used, the resting period of the dough is a lot shorter. You can choose to add in all the liquid at once, or you can gradually add it as I have shown. Then you're going to knead this flour for about 8 minutes, and after that 8 minutes it would be rough, so you'll need to rest it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's rested, you're going to go back again and knead it for 2 minutes, and this is what it should look like. Yet again, we're going to put it to rest, and this time we're going to rest it for 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes has elapsed, I'm going to lightly flour my clean working surface, and I'm going to subdivide the big ball into small balls. I got 9 balls. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. I wanted mine's medium size, so I made balls this size to suit. Then I rested it for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to individually roll them out. One of the things I like to do is to pinch the edge of the dough to ensure that it's flat, because I really want the edge of the dough to be thin at the end of the process. And I'm going to go in with my roller or my billner, and I'm going to roll it very thin. If it sticks to the billner, it means that you need to put a little more flour. You do not want to put too much flour. If you cannot get a complete circle, a proper circle, don't worry, you can always use something like this. I'm just doing this to show you that you can. You press it down and then you remove the sides, and you could always use the excess flour to make another ball. Then to my tawa, or in my case I'm using a pan, you're going to put it on medium low heat, and you're going to allow it to bake for about a minute for the first one. When you see these little bubbles up here, you know it's time to turn, and then you're just going to leave it for a minute again, and you're going to remove it. After cooking the first one, the rest will take a shorter period to cook. So it will take about 30 seconds on each side to cook. You can do it as dark as you want or as light as you want. The option is really yours. Normally, if you are storing them away, you would make them lighter, because when you have to reheat them on the tower, you know, it gets more color. The trick to keeping these really soft is like doubles. As soon as you take them out, you want to wrap them in a cloth or in an enclosed area, and this helps to keep it really soft and pliable. These are some of the fillings that the boys requested. So I hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you.